In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry Canva images. Vertical bar, high-quality digital prints in Canva. If your photo looks pixelated or soft after you upload it to Canva, don't worry. Canva has built-in tools that can dramatically improve clarity, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use them. Plus, how to export for crisp, professional results. Start by opening your design in Canva. Click on the image you want to improve, then choose Edit Photo. This is where all the enhancement tools live. For images that are genuinely low resolution or have noticeable blockiness, head to the Apps tab and search for Image Upscaler. This tool increases the pixel count of your image so it can hold detail better at larger sizes. Select your upscale amount like 2 times or 4 times, depending on how big you need the image to print or display. A 2 times upscale is often enough for moderate blur. 4 times can help with very small originals, though going too high may reveal artifacts. When you are ready, click Upscale Image and let Canva process it. Once it's done, zoom into 100% and check the edges and textures. If it looks too crunchy, you can try a lower upscale amount or pair it with gentle manual adjustments. For minor blur or when you just need a bit more definition, stay in Edit Photo and go to Adjust. Under the Texture panel, use the Sharpness and Clarity sliders. Move them slowly and watch the preview as you go. Sharpness enhances edge contrast, which can make details pop, but too much creates halos around lines. Clarity boosts midtone contrast, adding presence without overdoing fine grain. A light touch is usually best. Aim for clean detail that still looks natural. When your image looks good, it's time to export correctly for print. In Canva, the only format that preserves professional 300 dpi quality is PDF print. Click Share. Then Download and select PDF print. This ensures your images are embedded at print-ready resolution, which is crucial for sharp output. If you are a pro user, choose the CMYK color profile before downloading. CMYK aligns your colors with most commercial printers, helping avoid unexpected shifts from bright screens to ink on paper. To recap, improve clarity with the Image Upscaler for low-resolution photos. Refine with subtle sharpness and clarity adjustments when needed, and always export as PDF print using CMYK if available for the highest quality physical results. Follow these steps and your Canva prints should look clean, detailed, and professional. Thanks for watching.